So the other day, we got a new freezer, and that brings a big change in my garage, not just for the freezer itself, but for what that freezer replaces. Let me explain. Let's get started. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel or new to following my videos, you might be wondering why I'm making such a fuss about getting a new freezer. Well, it's not a new freezer, it's a used one, but we had a little bit of a scare the other day with our existing freezer, and that freezer is the one that I keep all of my stickers on. And we ended up figuring out that there was really no issue other than the door had been left open on the other one. But this is a better freezer and it has better storage space. This one doesn't have drawers. This one's got drawers. And we decided that because that one is better, we're gonna let this one go. And I've never been so hung up on a decision like this, but it's just stupid because it's just stickers. But it's what the stickers represent, and that's what I want to talk about today. This collection has been one of the pride points of my garage for the longest time, ever since I started making videos. And I'm just so happy to have this. I'm so proud to have this. And so I've decided that I'm gonna do what I can to salvage these and keep them, but I wanted to put out a request to every one of you that are a part of this community, especially those of you that have already sent me stickers and those of you that see your stickers on here. I'm asking if you could send me one more, and I want to do a more permanent display of all the people that make this community what it is. And that display is going to be, like I said, permanent, and it's not going to be reliant on something else. So I'm not going to put it on that freezer, I'll tell you that right now. It's not going on that freezer. I'm gonna do something really nice, and it's gonna look really good, and it's gonna be something that I can be even more proud of, because I'm proud to be a part of this community. I'm proud to be able to have all of these people that I call my friends, and to be able to display their sticker, some of which they design themselves, and a lot of thought and effort goes into these. I can tell you that from experience. They're special. It's a big deal, and like I said, I'm gonna do my best to keep some of these, to keep all of them really, but some of these I understand aren't even made anymore. You can't get them, and I get that. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to be removing all of these, and I'm gonna be taking extra stickers that I have and using that to start a new sticker display project. So if you see your sticker here and you would be willing to send a sticker my way, the address to send it to is down in the description. I'd really appreciate that. If you have a sticker that's not on here, send it and I will put it on the new display, and I will make sure that anyone who sends stickers will get shout outs on Instagram and things like that. And then once the new project is well underway and established, I'll go ahead and update you on that in a future video. So this is kind of a somber day for me. I am very much dreading starting this as far as removing all of these stickers go. But I know that stickers are replaceable, and in the end they're just stickers, you know. But like I said, it's what the stickers represent and it's what they stand for, and it's just a cool project that I've been really proud of, and I've been really proud to share for a long time, and I want to keep it alive as best as I can. So make sure you check the description below for the address to send stickers to. I'm more than happy to trade and return the favor. I just want to reestablish this in a better place in the garage. So that's all I have, just a very quick video here. Thank you to every single one of you that is on this freezer that has sent me a sticker. I'm so grateful, and this is just one of the coolest things in the garage for me. I'm sad to see it come down, but I'm excited to see how this new project turns out. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.